Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to the channel and hope you're doing good. So let's get straight to the topic, that is what is inside this package. ये वाला package. Having a motorcycle is definitely fun, but what is not fun is having a motorcycle stolen. So this package right here, what is inside this package will help you avoid that. You might have seen videos on the internet where people have broken the gear lock and pushed the bike ahead, and या फिर एक किसी तरह से ignition देके kick मार के बाइक को स्टार्ट करके they have taken the bike. But this thing will help you avoid that. What is inside this thing? Let me show you. Well, it is this. What is this? It is basically a lock जो आपके डिस्क पे बैठेगा. Let me show you. Let me unbox it first. Okay. कहाँ पे है? So I'm literally opening the box right now with you. Also, this is not a sponsored video. मैंने अपने खुद के पैसे से खरीदा है because I felt the need for it. So yeah, as you can see, this is how the construction is. I think it is metal, some kind of cast iron. So this is the key. आपको इस तरह से यहाँ पे डालनी है and this comes out. ये जो आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, okay. Now what this will do is, okay, so let me show you. So ये है वो लॉक, okay. इस तरह से कुछ इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन है. यहाँ पे इसके अंदर जाता है this thing, okay. You have to put the key here and remove it, as simple as that. Now where this will go, ये जो आपको डिस्क के होल दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, these holes, कौन से भी एक होल को आप पकड़िए इस तरह से और इस तरह से इसको पुश कीजिए. So you can see it is locked now and in place. Now what this will do is, when someone tries to move your bike forward, this will act as a barrier and ये इस तरह से घूम के यहाँ पे आएगा, लग जाएगा और आपके बाइक के मोशन को स्टॉप कर जाएगा. I'll just show you one example with it. Okay, ignore my friend. Okay, so I'm moving the bike forward now. Might have to change the angle. Okay, I think this would be enough. Billu. See? अपने आप बाइक स्टॉप हो गई. सिमिलरली अगर कोई रिवर्स भी ले रहा है तो दैट would hit over here and it would stop the motorcycle from moving. And it's easy to remove as well. You just have to take the key, put it in here. It's done, removed. And this can be stored anywhere on the bike or in a bag. So a very handy device to have to keep your bike safe. Comes with 2 keys as well. So this thing, a very handy device to have, and it's very compact as well. You can store it in a bag, और यहाँ पे इस तरह का हैंडल बैग है उसमें भी आप रख सकते हो. And you feel that the bike is not safe, lock the handlebar. Be sure to lock the handlebar. So और एक लेवल बढ़ जाता है while stealing the motorcycle to brake, क्योंकि हैंडलबार का लॉक तो टूटता है आराम से, but this also टूट सकता है, but फिर भी एक और एक लेवल बढ़ता है. Another thing you can do is maybe put a GPS on the motorcycle, but again that can be removed as well. So yeah, I'll put the link for this product in the description of this video and in the comment section as well. Be sure to buy it, it's pretty cheap and it might save your bike, you know. I hope you all like this video. I hope you all found this video helpful. Share this video with a friend who owns a motorcycle, and you know, make them alert of such products that they exist. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and peace out.
Bonus.
People break the gear lock or
so please whatever.